Hello and welcome. I am San Pala from khmertutor.com. Today you will learn one of Khmer consonant Po. Po has aspiration sound P. Here are some examples. Po, Po, Piersa, Piersa, Phnom Penh, Phnom Penh. ពូភារៀនភាសាខ្មែរពូភារៀនភាសាខ្មែរ And now you have learned one of Khmer consonant Po. I hope this lesson is useful. Thanks for your support. Subscribe, like and good comment. If you want to learn Khmer with me, go to my website khmertutor.com and send me a message. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson. Bye.